And I'm sure each one of us who is standing here, both as students and as teachers, must be feeling that, yes, we can and we will. Aren't you feeling so? That you can attain what you want to attain? You have to be, for this you have to work hard. Because success lies always on the other side of comfort zone. If we'll always try to remain comfortable and lazy, then success will not come to us. We have to complete the tasks that are given to us. Your teachers set tasks to you. They give you tasks both as classwork and also as homework. So to do those things, to complete those tasks, you have to put in your efforts. There's a difference between